Yeah, so of course that's a big question for us because productivity will drive benefit for the company. We need to take all the benefit of the new technology like the BIM and the digitalization of all the processes to drive more efficiency in the development of the design and engineering through the use of BIM, the use of 4D modeling, 5D modeling soon, we hope. And also the other aspect is for the guys on the ground to be able to work more safely and more efficiently.
There are many different ways, but ideally we want to be helping the guys on the ground carry out the task they need to complete as quickly as possible. That's giving them the right tools to digitally enhance the work that they're already doing.
Well, for me, a lot of it is about upskilling within the industry. So within HS2 we also have something called the BIM Upskilling Portal, which kind of is a platform for HS2 to help upskill the rest of the industry in everything related to BIM.
One of the problems is connectivity, I think, and that's where O2 can really help. Metcalfe's law says that if you can increase the number of users on a network by 10%, you should be able to increase business value by 20%. And I think that that's really important. You know, if you're going to be digitizing workflows and digitizing processes, having all of the users possible connected to that digitized process is going to yield significant benefits.
Improving productivity for construction, I think, is a multi-level challenge. It's not a single technology easy button, if you will. There's a lot of factors that go into why construction is the way it is. So as a technology company, the way that we approach this is we try to understand the reality of their business. So rather than force them down a path that makes sense to us from an engineering or technological standpoint, we actually try to align ourselves and really understand their pain points and then design the technology not only to meet those pain points, but potentially to reinvent the way they work in a way that's logical, intuitive, and kind of carries them further than they even anticipated. That's hard work. It's not easy to do, and it takes a lot of patience and dedication, and I think it's going to take more leaders, more technology companies to really listen first and develop second.
The beginnings of improving productivity in construction has to start with the end user, the engineer or the technician or the actual individual that ends up using any kind of technology. Because if a piece of technology is difficult to use, the engineer will always revert back to what they know best. It must enhance the engineer's own productivity in order for it to actually spread across the industry. So my tip for improving construction's productivity would be to start with the end user in mind.